Well, heavy rains have begun in Bengaluru as the evening set in. Heavy showers in and around Town Hall, Market Lal Bagh, the Double Road, Shantinagar, Mysore, the Bank Circle and Majestic as well. Rainwaters flowing on the roads. That's all that one can see right now. My colleague Mohammad Wajula has filed in a ground report. Take a look at it.
30 minutes of heavy rainfall have left the city reeling underwater. As you can see, water is accumulated at this particular place where I am standing. This is the Shantinagar junction where there is a Central Police office, and right outside this office you can see that rainwater has accumulated, and this is not the scene of just one particular place, but you have this particular situation all across various places across Bengaluru, especially Malleshwaram, Manyata Tech Park and low-lying areas where water usually get accumulated. Apart from this, we've also heard about tree felling at various places in the city because of these unprecedented rain. And what we've also learned from the IMDb is that it is going to rain like this for the next 3 to 4 hours because of cyclonic circulation that has been sighted at the Bay of Bengal, and that is one of the reasons why Bangalore is seeing unprecedented rain. So those who are planning to travel from now onwards, you'll have to wait, think before you leave, because rain is something that is going to pour in the coming hours in Bengaluru, and with half an hour of rain, this is how the condition is of the road. Water being accumulated at this particular spot where I am standing, and I've also heard reports of water accumulated various other places. We'll have to now wait and watch how fast the BBMP is able to clear water at these places. We've seen them already out on the ground trying to remove tree fellings that have happened at various places. Now with this rain that has just begun half an hour back has halted for some time, and it is also predicted that it will continue to rain in the coming few hours. We'll have to wait and watch what happens next, but for half an hour's rain, water getting accumulated and tree felling is something that has now become a normal situation in Bengaluru. Bringing you this is me, Vajiullah, from Shantinagar for News 9.